Hello everyone, it's day 15, the finale of our Festival Days series. Let's celebrate one last festival together and wrap up this wonderful journey. Question 1. Tulsi Vivaha marks the ceremonial marriage of Tulsi plant to whom? A. Lord Krishna, B. Lord Vishnu, C. Lord Shiva, or D. Lord Rama. The correct option is B. Lord Vishnu. Question 2. On which tithi is Tulsi Vivaha usually celebrated? A. Ekadashi of Kartik month, B. Dwadashi of Kartik month, C. Trayodashi of Kartik month, or D. Purnima of Kartik month. The correct option is B. Dwadashi of Kartik month. Question 3. Which demon's wife was reincarnated as Tulsi according to the legend? A. Andhakasura, B. Jalandhara, C. Shumbha, or D. Mahishasura. The correct option is B. Jalandhara. Question 4. What is the symbolic meaning of Tulsi Vivah in Hindu culture? A. End of monsoon, B. Beginning of harvest, C. Beginning of wedding season, or D. Offering to ancestors. The correct option is C. Beginning of wedding season. Question 5. In Maharashtra, Tulsi Vivah is celebrated mainly by A. Farmers, B. Women of household, C. Priests, or D. Village panchayats. The correct option is B. Women of household. Question 6. The Tulsi Vivaha ceremony often includes what special item? A. Sugarcane and jaggery, B. Coconut and turmeric, C. Banana and rice, or D. Mango leaves and milk. The correct option is A. Sugarcane and jaggery. Question 7. According to the Padma Purana, who first performed the Tulsi Vivah ceremony? A. Lord Vishnu himself, B. Sage Narada, C. King Vrishadhvajra, or D. Brahma. The correct option is C. King Vrishadhvajra. Question 8. In the Tulsi Vivah story, why did Lord Vishnu turn Shaligram into stone? A. To escape Vrinda's curse, B. To bless Tulsi's devotion, C. To symbolize eternal union, or D. To defeat Jalandhara. The correct option is A. To escape Vrinda's curse. Question 9. Why did Lord Krishna lift the Govardhan hill according to Bhagavata Purana? A. To punish Indra, B. To protect villagers from storm, C. To stop animal sacrifices, or D. To prove his strength. The correct option is C. To stop animal sacrifices. What did Indra send to destroy Gokul before Krishna lifted Govardhan? A. Lion, B. Serpent, C. Clouds and thunderstorm, or D. Buffalo. The correct option is C. Clouds and thunderstorm. Question 11. Which goddess is said to have emerged from the body of Lakshmi during Diwali? A. Alakshmi, B. Annapurna, C. Santoshi Mata, or D. Bhumi Devi. The correct option is A. Alakshmi. Question 12. On Bali Pratipata, why is King Bali remembered every year? A. Because of his great wealth, B. Because Vishnu promised him an annual visit, C. Because he defeated Ravana, or D. Because he founded Kerala. The correct option is B. Because Vishnu promised him an annual visit. Question 13. In which scripture is the story of King Bali and Vamana described? A. Skanda Purana, B. Vishnu Purana, C. Bhagavat Purana, or D. Garuda Purana. The correct option is C. Bhagavat Purana. Question 14. Why is Tulsi not offered to goddess Durga or Shiva? A. Tulsi was cursed by Shiva. B. Tulsi is considered Vishnu's consort. C. Tulsi is impure. Or D. Tulsi represents a different element. The correct option is B. Tulsi is considered Vishnu's consort. And our last question of this series, question 15. Which festival celebrates the victory of Krishna's wife Satyabhama over Narkasura? A. Naraka Chaturdashi, B. Kali Chaudas, C. Dhanteras, or D. Deepdan. The correct option is A. Naraka Chaturdashi. That's it for day 15 and the end of our Festival Days series. Thank you for being part of this festive adventure. Like, share, and subscribe to stay connected for the next series.